We're here at Cars of Dreams with John Staluppi. We have a great announcement to make. John?
Well, we're going to be here in West Palm Beach selling 35 cars. You know, it's so much fun to be at Barrett-Jackson. It's so much fun to have everybody here to join us. And when you see this collection this time, it's incredible.
Here's a Bronco that from the outside, until we opened the hood, looks pretty stock, but they put a Coyote in it.
You know, a lot of guys are putting these Coyote motors in here. This car drives good. Stops good, unbelievable.
Coyote's a great engine. You have to do a lot of massaging to get them to fit in, especially under the stock hood. What I like is, other than the tires and wheels, it looks very stock from the outside, but when you open up the hood, let's check out the inside, because they did a great job in there too.
So this also has air condition, and it's got a tilt wheel.
Again, it looks very stock, but everything has been massaged on it. Very cool.
Everybody knows that Barrett-Jackson has the finest quality cars, and they got a team of people that look at these cars. They know what they're doing. Let me tell you, this one's going to be a killer. And these cars are just going up in value, and you got to get them soon because you're not going to be able to buy them. So we'll see you then.
And the best part is they're all selling at no reserve at our April 2022 auction, the 7th through the 9th, selling Cars of Dreams. Make it here.